is how you can flip and rotate a video in CapCut. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll do is open CapCut. Now after you open CapCut, you can just import a new project or select a pre-existing project. Now I already have a project right here, so I'm going to open that. Now after you open a project and import a video, what you'll want to do is just select the video and search for edit. Now it might be written edit there or transform. Now after you tap on transform, just tap on mirror to flip the image or video. As you can see right here, when I tap on mirror, it will just mirror the image and video and it will play according to that. So you can do that to flip the image, or you can rotate it like this. As you can see right there, it rotates clockwise. So just select the one that you want, and you can even mirror it and rotate it and select it to your preference, and you can just export the video. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you flip and rotate a video in CapCut. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.